Good morning, students. Welcome back to today class. The last class we saw about archaeologist and who's an archaeologist and excavation and artifacts. So what is the meaning of artifacts? So artifacts means during the excavation the archaeologist find so many things so that the things are called artifacts. So what is the use of the artifacts? So with the help of artifacts we can know about our past people life histories. So first one, archaeologist. Who's an archaeologist? A person study about our human our past people life history through places and through excavation. So this person so the persons are called archaeologist. And next one, pyramid in Egypt. So pyramid in Egypt. So normally pyramids are looking like triangle in shape. So when the pyramids were excavated, when the pyramids also excavated, it was found that the small pyramids are made for queens. So the small pyramids was made for queens, and it was also excavated. So it is located in Egypt. So the pyramids are located in Egypt, and there are skeletons also. Skeletons also found in the pyramids. So skeletons appadina one elumbhu kudu appdin solluvom. So it was also found in their pyramids. So it gave the information about the skeletons and the pyramids. So it gave the information about the height and age of people. So the pyramids and the skeletons, it gave the information about the height and age of the people, average height and age of the people. Okay, so the pyramids in Egypt, the small pyramids were made for queens, and the skeletons also found in the pyramids. So the skeletons gave the information about the height and age of average height and age of the people. And next one, Indus civilization. So next one, Indus civilization. So this was the first site to be excavated. So this is the Indus civilization, also called the Harappan civilization. The Indus civilization also called the Hindu civilization, also called the Harappan civilization. And this is the first site. So this is the first place to be excavated. This is the first place கண்டுபிடிக்கப்பட்ட ஒரு இடம் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். First site to be excavated. So in which year it was excavated? 20th centuries it was excavated. So in the city had well planned houses. So nowadays we can see so many well planned houses because of engineers. But our olden days there were no engineer. But at the time also the Indus civilization places had well planned houses and with wells and proper drainage system also was there. That provide so the drainage system. So what was the use of the drainage system? The drainage system that provide a way to direct waste water to closed drains. So what is the use of the drainage system? So the drainage system helps to that provide a way. So way bina vali. So it's provide a way to direct waste water to closed drains. So drains are the drains were fully closed, and they were advanced granaries. So granaries means can you see the granaries? So in the Srirangam temple. So in the temple, inside the temple we can see the big granaries. Granaries அப்படினா வந்து நெற்களஞ்சியம் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். So we can store the grains inside the granaries. So at the times also the Indus civilization places they were advanced granaries and great bath. So it was founded places. So the city were very advanced for the time. So at the time also the city was very advanced for their time. So Indus civilization, again I am repeating, so Indus civilization also called Harappan civilization. It was the first city to be excavated. In which year it was excavated? 20th century. So the city had well planned houses, granaries and drainage systems. So advanced technologies were implemented. They were implemented for their time. So dear students, so learn this topic. Thank you.